All right. So let's start by opening up Google Classroom, and on this dashboard page, find the 2020-2021 AVD classroom. That would be last year's year 1 classroom for year 2 teachers. I just have it ready right here, so I'm going to open that up. And now I'm going to go to classwork. Then I'm going to scroll down to the CTP. All right, and you'll have two. You'll have a sample and then one with your name on it. So let's open up the one with your name on it. Here's one with my name on it. Now, if you remember this from last year, at some point you rated yourself once, and then again after the Reflect micro-credential. You're going to do the same thing this year. You're going to rate yourself once today, and then again twice after doing both Reflect micro-credentials this year as a year 2. All right. A great way to start is to go to your Plan for Professional Growth, or PPG. So here's my PPG sample. And so let's say, 4.0. That was one of my focus standards. So I'm going to highlight what I wrote for 4.0. All right. And then I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to go into the continuum of teaching practice. I'm going to find 4.0 here. And then I'm going to read these descriptors, right? And at this point, I may think that right now I'm in the exploring stage. And so I'm going to paste the text there. And at this point, I can reword this so it fits better, or just leave it as is if it makes sense. But I do want to date it, right? And this is September of 2021. All right, and I'm just going to make it bold just so it sticks out to me. All right. Later in the year, I will reassess myself on this standard after doing the Reflect micro-credential and rate myself. And last thing you'll want to do is open up the current Google Classroom. Go to the Classwork tab and find CTP here. Then you're going to view assignment, and yours will look a little bit different than this, but you'll have an area to add a document, and what you're going to add is the continuum of teaching practice you just updated. Then you can get rid of the blank one here if you want.